Hi, my name is Dr. Lumina. Welcome to this journey through strategy and execution. Today we're diving into executing a campaign, best practices, part of our course, Building an Influencer Marketing Strategy. In this session, we'll explore the crucial aspects of coordinating and running a professional influencer marketing campaign, from scheduling and engagement to feedback loops and crisis preparedness. Whether you're new to execution or refining your strategy, these insights will make your campaigns more efficient and impactful. Executing a campaign, best practices. This chapter outlines the execution phase of influencer campaigns. We'll cover everything from internal coordination to managing paid ads and handling crises. Think of this as your field guide to making strategy actionable. Each topic is structured to give you practical frameworks. By the end, you'll be equipped to lead campaigns with clarity and impact. Coordination models, internal versus external. Campaign execution begins with strong coordination. Internally, your teams, creative, legal, and analytics, must align on goals. Externally, agencies and influencers need clear expectations. Coordination isn't just about communication, it's about structure. You need protocols for updates, decisions, and responsibilities, coordination tools and workflows. Digital tools make or break execution. Project managers love platforms like Asana or Monday, where everyone sees tasks and timelines. Shared documents keep teams synced, and real-time chat apps like Slack speed up decisions. Use these tools to centralize, clarify, and streamline work. Scheduling with content calendars. Every campaign needs a calendar. Plan when posts go live, what platforms they appear on, and who's responsible. Calendars offer visibility for stakeholders, and they make quick adjustments possible when needed. It's your master blueprint. Campaign timelines and deadlines. Working backwards from the go-live date is key. Set milestones for drafts, reviews, and approvals. Automate reminders to keep things on track. Deadlines are more than dates. They're accountability tools. Build in buffers for review and revision time. Maximizing organic reach. Organic reach matters. High-quality, timely posts get picked up by algorithms. Match content to audience interests and habits. Post when your audience is active. And choose influencers who align with your brand values to boost trust. Boosting reach. Through partnerships, collaborations increase visibility. Encourage influencers to tag each other. Create content that blends multiple voices or creators. Spread the campaign across platforms: Instagram, YouTube, even newsletters. Partnerships amplify reach and make your brand more discoverable. Using paid ads strategically. Paid ads aren't separate. They're campaign accelerators. Boost content that already performs well. Use it to expand reach or retarget engaged users. You can also whitelist influencer content through brand channels. Paid content should blend with organic messaging. Targeting and budgeting for paid ads. Smart targeting is key. Segment your audience and match messaging to intent. Split budgets across awareness, engagement, and conversion. A/B test creatives to find what resonates. Optimized spend delivers greater return and sharper insights. Briefing and version control. A great brief is your foundation. Outline tone, messaging, and deliverables clearly. Track edits in one place to avoid chaos. Use consistent naming conventions for versions. It's about clarity, control, and reducing back and forth. Quality checks and asset tracking. Before content goes live, check it thoroughly. Does it match brand tone? Are disclosures clear? Store approved assets in one location with metadata. Auditing your asset library keeps campaigns compliant and content fresh. Influencer onboarding and alignment. The influencer relationship starts with onboarding. Share brand values, goals, and guidelines. Offer examples to set expectations. Make sure influencers know the schedule and feedback loop. And always create space for dialogue. It builds trust. Incentives and long-term loyalty. Motivate creators with competitive pay and perks. Go beyond one-off deals. Offer early product access, event invites, or long-term partnerships. Loyalty creates consistency, and consistency drives results over time. Crisis identification and prevention crises don't start online. They start with poor planning. Vet influencers for past issues. Pre-approve captions and hashtags. Plan for what could go wrong. You can't predict everything, but you can prepare. Crisis response and mitigation. When a crisis hits, act fast and communicate clearly. Use pre-written response templates. Involve legal, PR, and your influencer team. Transparency wins trust. A fast, thoughtful response can even boost brand credibility. Building feedback loops. Data is your feedback loop. Monitor sentiment with social listening tools. Track metrics like engagement, conversions, and saves. Ask influencers what worked and what didn't. Combine qualitative and quantitative data for richer insights. Optimization. Through iteration, campaigns should evolve. Adjust creatives and tactics mid-flight if needed. Use A/B tests to guide decisions. After the campaign, hold a full debrief. Document everything. Today's lessons are tomorrow's strategy. Case study, Fabletics X micro-influencers. Fabletics nailed campaign execution by using hundreds of micro-influencers. They focused on relatable lifestyle content. Their strategy felt natural, not forced. The result? Massive engagement and sales lifts. This proves strategy and execution must be tightly woven. Campaign execution checklist. Before launching, check your checklist. Is the strategy locked in? Are influencers prepped? Are content calendars, feedback systems, and reporting tools ready? Great execution isn't flashy, it's disciplined. And that's what makes results predictable and scalable. Conclusion. Executing a campaign is where your planning meets reality. From timelines to relationships, every detail matters. The best campaigns run on alignment, clarity, and agility. Don't forget to keep learning after each one, because every campaign is a chance to grow stronger.